first one had to do with the consultancy services for the inspection. I said Ministry of Transport presented 2 memos. And the first one has to do with the contract for consultancy services for the supervision of the various railway projects. You know that we have 3 or 4 railway projects that are yet to start or commence the construction, and they include the Port Harcourt Maiduguri, Kano Maradi, and then the Abuja to Warri. Now, for the consultancy services, the following contractors were approved with a total cost of $183.7 million. $183.7 million. The contractors are G Engineers. G is, as I hope I pronounce it well, it's IX. G Engineers Infrastructure Excellence / Yaroso and Partnership Limited, Core Consulting Engineering PLC. That's for the Abuja to Warri. And then for the consultancy services for supervision of Port Harcourt Maiduguri Railway with branch lines to Bonny, Deep Sea Port, and Port Harcourt Industrial Park, and then to Warri, we have Carry Consult SDM BHD / Jamub Global Services Limited at $97.5 million for the year. The first one is $38.4 million. Then the last one is consultancy services for the supervision of Kano, Katsina, Jibia, Maradi rail line to TEAM. TEAM is Techniques, Engineering, Architecture, Marketing, Nigerian Limited. And that is for $47,670,000 for a period of all of them for a period of 36 months. That's the first. The second one is that the cabinet approved a concessionaire agreement. Approval for the Ministry of Transport to concession the Onitsha River Port to a company called Universal Elysium Consortium. Universal Elysium Consortium. They are to manage the river port for 30 years. These are the 2 memos that we got approval. Excellency. Onitsha River Port and listen, other rail lines other than the one you asked. First is, okay, you're right to the extent that there was a fire incident. If you checked where they were using a fire extinguisher, somebody stepped aside and got leaves thinking, but that's the person. You should have waited for the fire extinguisher to do his job. But Nigeria emphasized more on the fact that he got these trees and stems and all that to put out the fire, but we had fire extinguisher. That's a machine. Electrical fault could occur and there will be fire. All you should ask is that, are we prepared to fight such fire? If it occurs near a station, all stations have firefighting equipment. If it occurs outside a station, all coaches have fire extinguishers. So, but like every other machine, like human beings die, fall ill, that's the same thing that happened on the Warri rail line. I'm not in charge of Abuja internal business, so when you see the Minister for FCT, you can ask him that question. Thank you very much. That comment in a hidden place, it was a press interview. And I said, currently, we had, actually, that's why there is a delay. We had actually waited for the Chinese to give us the loans we applied for. And they didn't tell, today they've not declined. They kept delaying us, and for Christ's sake, will you extend our tenure? The answer is no. So we've gone to Standard Chartered Bank. In fact, they've approved the loan of, well, they've not done financial closure, but they've approved some level of funding for Kano Maradi. We are also pursuing Port Harcourt Maiduguri with Standard Chartered Bank. And which other one? These 2, essentially. The Lagos Kano, part of it will come from Standard Chartered Bank, and part of it will come from some commercial banks, or some banks in China. I thought I came for, what was it called? For Onisha. I don't have that figure here. I have to go home. Or I have to go back to the office.
National Assembly.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.